Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here of an ECM Giotto, and this machine was brought to us mostly in pieces. Every single connection inside the machine, from the group head, the steam wand, the hot water wand, every connection to the boiler was all disconnected. So we reassembled everything. It had been sitting for a while also, so a few parts needed to be replaced, like the boiler safety valve, vacuum release valve. The pressure stat had dried out and wasn't able to sense the pressure, and so there was some overheating initially. Also, the gasket for the heating element had dried as well, and so it was leaking, so that had to be replaced. And again, it had been sitting, so we also did a tune-up to the group head, replacing the gaskets, the screen. We descaled, we back flushed, and now everything's working great. No more leaks, holding pressure, and making great shots.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Now the pump kicking on, this is going to be water from the boiler, so we know that the water level sensor is functioning correctly. And there it is, back in action, ECM Giotto. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.